My name is David Zacks, and I'm a neutral at JAMS, exclusively doing mediation. After law school, I was in the Army JAG Corps for 4 years, in which I was fortunate at the end of that time to be one of the youngest, maybe the youngest military judge in the Army. Following that, I had my own law firm, eventually merging it with Kilpatrick Townsend. The practice areas that interest me the most are those in which I chaired when I was at Kilpatrick Townsend. Healthcare is just in my blood, in my fiber, and I've represented a lot of physicians in terms of medical malpractice cases. So those kind of issues really are my focus in healthcare, as well as nursing home, long-term care facilities. Any disputes in those areas, I'm at home with them. In terms of a second approach, it would be business disputes. My mediation style is clearly evaluative. I do not believe in just facilitating taking offers back and forth to the parties and their counsel. I like to ask probing questions so that they reach the fair resolution they came to me to decide. If I feel there are roadblocks in a case and we're at some stop, first thing is I am very persistent. I just never quit. So that's number one, and I think the lawyers who hire me know that. I'll certainly express to them what is your BATNA, the best alternative to a negotiated agreement, and it's usually not a very good one, which keeps us all in the room until we accomplish this fair resolution. But I also encourage the parties to separate the facts from the emotion so we can accomplish what we're here to do on that day. I think I am different from other neutrals because of my business background. I've been very fortunate in the past to have been the national chair of the American Cancer Society. Last year, I was chair of the Society of International Business Fellows, an international group of 1,800 members, and that gave me an exposure that I think few have. I find it extremely rewarding in having parties settle their dispute, in being the bridge to that fair resolution. Nothing to me could be more rewarding for a lawyer